I am crafting retired boss lady merch, and this tutorial is on making a grad card with your cutting machine. Today I am using the Sizer Romeo. It's what I'm using today. Okay, so this design right here came from Creative Paprika. Okay, this came from Canva. This came from Canva. Okay, you see it over here. Those two that I'm using. So we're gonna take this image. I'm gonna take it and I'm trying to make it half and half so I can do another square. And you see how this is rounded square? So I'm gonna use the rounded square. It's going to be the same color as the card because the card has to have two sides for it to be a card. So we're going to roll that in so it can have two sides. I'm trying to make them even. So I got to shrink it a little bit just so I can get these cards the same size. And the way you can tell the size on Creative Paprika, you'll see a red line come up. That makes sure you even. See that red line that came up? That makes me know that I have even teal on these cards. So I'm going to push them together so they can be together. And then I want it. Okay, we're going to group these two right here. Let me just group them so I can move them together. Okay, so now what I want to do. I want to group her. Hold on. How you get in a group? Hold on. Maybe ungroup this so I can move her out the way. I don't even know how she got in the group right there. Okay. I don't want her or him in the group. I just want these two cards in the group. Okay. Alright, so I can move this around. So then I want to take her, because I want it to be like a 3D card. I'm going to put her up here. Like on the card, but off the card. See what I'm saying? Then I'm taking the class of 2024, and I'm going to put it on this side, right here. I really wanted to make it white, so I'm gonna make it white, but you can't even see it because it's white. That's why it's not showing. Because I made it white on a white background, okay? See if I turned it black. I did that on purpose because I want to make sure the layer was up. Bring forward. We want it to be in the front, okay? So I can make it white or black. Let's leave it black. And then we can make her black. And make that black. And she's black. Then we want her to the front too. So just make sure they layer to the front. Okay. And we have two. Okay, the next step would be to... I gotta pay for my Canva too. I didn't know it's like time to pay for my Canva. I thought I just paid it, but yeah, but it must ain't take it because they talking about retry your card.
They take it because it's off my account. I can tell you where they took it. Hold on.
Okay, y'all. So we got the class of we added the woman here. I added this little design, but I don't know how that's gonna come out. Like for the back of the card. I don't know. Is it gonna cut out or it isn't gonna? I don't know what it's gonna do. Then I added like a dotted line for it, so I know where to fold it. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if it's really going to. Cause I really don't want this cut out. We'll take it off because I don't want it to cut out because I think it might cut out. So let's go to download. And just download transparent and name this file. We're gonna name it grad card. Okay, we're gonna download it. Download it now. Transparent. Download. Okay. So here it is right here. Usually I put everything in my desktop so I can find it. So we're gonna throw it to the desktop so we can find the thing. Okay. Because then I get over here on the software and then I can't find it. So make my life easy. Okay, we're gonna hit import. Hold on. Let's see what's going on over here. Let me move that up some. Import. There's the card right here. We're gonna bring the card over as a print and cut. You hit next and I hit next again, but this is where you see where it's gonna cut it. So anything where the blue is, that's where it's gonna cut it, and you can see some of the cuts in here. So everything looks fine in here. I included the holes and it looks fine. And then I go to next, and then I can do an offset, like push it out some, and that's what an offset is. It kind of pushes it off of it a little bit. Or I can leave it like this, so I can bring an offset on. I think I bring an offset on. So we're going to put a little bit of offset on, and then we're going to hit finish. So now this is the card. This is where we size it at. So basically, I'm going to turn it sideways so I can get a bigger dimensions on here. Because you can't see how it turned red because I went outside the boundaries. So you don't want to go outside the boundaries because you don't want it to turn red. So you definitely don't want to go outside the boundaries. So this is 6 by 6. That's a good size card. Okay, 6 by 6. I mean, I can probably pull it a little bit more. Nope, I can't. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, I can change the, I forgot, I can change the marks. If I change the marks, I can pull up some more because the marks are made smaller. So now we can pull it out just a little bit more. We can pull it out. We just don't want the hat to be out of the lines. So now we made it a 7 by 7 card. Okay. So that's where we at right now. So we're going to send it. Okay, so what we got here, we got that. And then it's just the cutout and that. It looks fine to me. What y'all thinking? It looks like a cutout. Can you see the tassel? Oh yeah, the tassel is going to be on the picture. It's not, it didn't cut out around the tassel. Oh, it didn't before, so that's fine. Okay, we're going to leave it like it is and just go ahead and do the print. We send it to our Epson printer. So we're just going to go ahead and send it. Let's send the print. And let the print. And it's printing on the printer. Okay, next we got our cutting board and we got the picture of the card. And we're going to put it on the cutting board because now it has to get cut. Always make sure your arrow is the lower left. See, I put it on the cutting board and we're going to put it in the machine over here. Now we're going to cut out the card. Okay, it's cut and finished, and this is the finished product. Look in the screen where you see my face. There it is. Boom. I made it bigger. Boom. And it's finished, and it's a card. It is cute. I like it when it's like this. That's the way I like my cards. And you have this part to write in. You can write what you want to say. But it came out cute, y'all. A cute 3D card for graduation. Did it. So this came from, the template came from Creative Fabrica. You'll find the link in the description. This came from Canva. You'll find the link in the description. And I put the 2024 from Canva to make it 3D. Just set it on top. And when it cuts in 3D. Love it. I do love that. Okay. So that was our card. It came out cute. So why go to CVS when you can make your own?